Welcome back, everybody. This is Steve KM9G, and I've got a real quick update for you on the Xiegu. This morning, Ham Radio Dude put out a video, some stuff that we've been talking about on the Toads Discord. There's a link in the description down below for Toads Discord. There's a link up above for Ham Radio Dude's video. He had some problems, and I've already talked about one of them, which was the microphone. This is the Icon mic. But when you unkey the microphone, it will actually transmit a loud click sound over the air. I also have that problem. I showed that in my live stream last Monday trying to make some QSOs with this radio. Turns out we had a sun cycle problem that night and couldn't get it done. Well, we made some contacts, but not as many as I would have hoped for. As far as the second problem, I'm kind of doing his video in reverse order on purpose. The second problem was random clicks. Well, not very random clicks. You'll see in a second here. On the Xiegu 6100 on 60 meters. So I have my ICOM tuned to 60 meters. It's plugged into my DX Commander, which isn't resonant on 60 meters, but is a very large surface area and will pick up signals. I'm going to go ahead and turn the Xiegu on. We'll watch the waterfall over here while this one's coming up. I do have preamp 2 turned on the 705. So I'm giving it every ability to get as much noise as possible. And what will happen is you won't see any noise, but over here on the Xiegu, you'll see these very routine signals on the waterfall there. Let me get that into view a little bit better. You'll see every so many seconds a blip on the waterfall. Dude's was at 5360, I believe, and mine is at 5375.5. I have nothing at 5360. So there's definitely something going on here, and I believe it's something internal to the radio that is being picked up. We're talking about this over on the Toads Discord in the 6100 channel. It was identified by user Gaz, and then Therian thinks that it's an internal chip giving some kind of heartbeat signal out. And again, you can see over on the 705, it is not showing up out in the real world. And then the last thing that Dude showed was his display settings. I'm going to go ahead and make that the MFK choice. At 100K, he had, you see how this signal here, that's actually a real signal. He had 2 stripes down the side, and if you move it away, if you make the span bigger, you can't see it. It's still there, but you can't see it. So I'm down as small as I can go. I don't have those stripes, and he showed how they came in on different bands. And I'm not seeing it on different bands. So these radios are a little bit different. This problem here with this recurring signal on 5375 and a half has happened on every radio that we've seen so far. So if yours has this problem, let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to join the Toads Discord, and thanks for being awesome.